Hey everyone, this is Carla R. Jenkins, and welcome to an all new episode of Projectiized, the project management show, where I discuss three things: the business of project management, how businesses use project management, and obtaining project management certification. So, in today's show, I'm going to talk about fresh from the headlines that more firms prefer agile project development. And it's from a company called Projects by Design. And I got this because I subscribe to project management Google Alerts. And I think that this will be a very timely article regarding project management. So I'm going to put the article in the description so that everyone could read it and click on it. Uh, it's timely because in the pandemic, they said that project management was a top five job, which is true. But people were particularly clamoring for agile project management. And I wanted to talk about that because there are different types of project management. There are five different approaches. So there's the traditional one, which is also predictable waterfall, iterative, incremental, agile, and then hybrid. And hybrid is a combination of traditional, which is waterfall, predictive, and agile. And I wanted to cover that because there's different project life cycles, and I wanted to make sure that you knew the difference. So, according to this article, which is streetinsider.com, it says the agile management project management approach in the software development facet of the industry is increasingly being adopted and preferred by various institutions. It is due to its elasticity and flexibility. With this, businesses can easily cater to changing client requirements, which is why I'm also connecting it to the current pandemic and how people just like this with the stay at home orders being forced to go from offline to online. And now you're doing the rephased approach of going from offline, which is at home, to online. And since I'm in the United States, and as of today's filming, which is June 26, 2020, Texas, one of the largest states in the United States, its Governor Abbott, has said that it is closing the economy again. So now, once again, you're going from offline, which is in person, offline versus online. So now the whole state of Texas, which is a very large state with a lot of people in it, I believe something like at least 25 million people have been forced to be back into quarantine for the next 14 days based on the spread of coronavirus that has happened. So once again, you're going because it's the elasticity and the flexibility of the agile project management lifecycle. More companies are adopting it. The article continues. The agile project management approach focuses on adaptation, rapid prototyping, evolving development, and evaluation based on constant client feedback. It offers a more comprehensive approach to project planning and product development since it expertly handles the client's dynamism compared to traditional project management and development methods. And so for Project by Design, that is this company talks about agile project management. I just giving you an update about how here in the United States, Texas, one of the largest states, is going back into quarantine. So it's going back from offline to online. And that's one of the reasons why firms like agile project management. Why? Because you can adapt and you can be more flexible than traditional project management, which goes in lockstep. So, for those who don't know, traditional project management has five domains or processing groups: it's initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. And you have to do all of that in lockstep. Whereas with Agile, you don't always have to do that. And that's why this article from StreetFinder.com is saying that Agile project management lifecycle and approach is preferred over traditional. So I wanted to do something, an article, and talk about what's really relevant and happening here in project management right now, because this week I said I was going to give you project management resources. This is another one on the ground reporting about how and what type of life cycle is preferred, which is agile project management. So I would like to thank everyone for watching this episode of Projectiized. As always, I always shout out some of the live watchers and viewers. So from Instagram Live, I would like to shout out Slim_Shady_27 for watching me live on Instagram Live, as well as Crazy Kick for watching me on Periscope. And I'll see everybody. You can watch me Mondays through Fridays, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.